Till now under Mi Seva, it was G2C services. As of now, about 116 services being offered and about 10 departmental services, permissions and clearances and services. Today we launched G2B for government to business services. That's like industry department and IT department for claiming their incentives or permissions, whatever it is. Industry department today we had about 8 clearances and permissions and incentive reimbursement process. Then IT department about 11. So total about 19 were launched today. It's yet another milestone in the history of this government to people and government to business. This is the first time in the country we launched it in the state, and it is as of today about 15 million permissions and certificates are issued in less than a period of about 16 months time. And this is replicated by other states in the country, and the Government of India has advised all the states to replicate this system so that it's transparent, faster, hassle-free system. The people do not have to travel, number one. People do not have to wait for the official machinery to respond. People do not have to pay for the transportation. People do not have to pay anyone, as a matter of fact. So this is being increased. By October, we are planning to have about 300 services, about 21 departments. In addition to that, we are integrating with these centers, about 6,900, the banking services, like a mini ATM or mini banking service in the rural side, where they can deposit money and transaction can take place and withdrawal can take place. It's like direct transfer system, cash transfer system can also be implemented through these centers. So it's a matter of time that this will be all over the state. As of now, we have about 800 centers are with this banking facility, and in due course, all the centers will be integrated with the banking services also. So all in one, more or less. No, well, Andhra Pradesh is the destination, and it's a good destination. It's the second most affordable place for business, specifically for IT and industrial purpose. This is a worldwide survey, next only to Indonesia. We have surpassed China as far as the cost comparison is concerned, and the infrastructure what we have in this place is unparalleled. And recently the metro, the infrastructure, was awarded the world's best infrastructure project. In spite of the fact New York has a metro more than 100 years, they were inquiring how and what we are doing in Hyderabad. So it's a matter of pride for our people, and the government is proactive. The government is, kind of encouraging type, promoting. And as far as the IT department is concerned, I keep saying we are only not far away, only one click away for any needs of the industry or the business.